Principal Sheep. Welcome back to our classroom. Today, I'll be teaching you about equations, square root, and factorization questions. Number 1. Solve for x. Root x plus root 2 equals 2. The answer is root x plus root 2 equals 2 becomes root x equals 2 minus root 2. And then square both sides. So it becomes x equals 4 minus 4 root 2 plus 2. So then x becomes 6 minus 4 root 2. Number 2. What is the value of the following expression when y over x plus x over y equals 5? X squared plus y squared plus 5xy over 2xy. The answer is, use this in a simultaneous equation. So your first equation is y over x plus x over y equals 5. Your second equation is x squared plus y squared plus 5xy over 2xy. From the first equation, you can induce that x squared plus y squared over 5xy equals 5. And then you can change that into 5xy equals x squared plus y squared. Substituting the fourth equation into the second, you can deduce that x squared plus y squared plus 5xy over 2xy equals 2 brackets x squared plus y squared over 2xy. So since you have the number 2 in both the denominator and the numerator, you can erase that. So it becomes x squared plus y squared over xy, which then means that it is the same as the first simultaneous equation. So then that equals 5. Number 3. Please do the following calculation. 333 over 3 plus 3 plus 3. The answer is, make it 3 times 111 over 3 times brackets 1 plus 1 plus 1. So then, since you have 3 on both the denominator and the numerator, you can erase them and it becomes 111 over 3, which you can then do in long division, that it is 37. This works with any other number, so it could be 111 over 1 plus 1 plus 1. It could be 222 over 2 plus 2 plus 2. It could be any of the first 9 numbers. And it would all equal 37. Number 4. Factorize the following expression. A to the power of 4 plus 2a to the power of 3 times b minus 2ab to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 4. The answer is, first, move the equation around so that it's a bit easier to work out. So it becomes a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 plus 2a to the power of 3 times b minus 2ab to the power of 3. So then you can factorize a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 into brackets a squared plus b squared and another brackets a squared minus b squared plus 2ab brackets a squared minus b squared. And then you can erase the brackets a squared minus b squared since it's in both sides by dividing the equation by it. And then you're left with brackets a squared minus b squared brackets a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which you can then factorize again into brackets a plus b brackets a minus b brackets a plus b to the power of 2. So then your final fully factorized equation becomes brackets a plus b to the power of 3 times brackets a minus b. And that is it for today's video. Please like and subscribe if you learned something new. 3, 2, 1.